Watch me do my hair and makeup as a beginner.
Here's a story time of how I met my Jamaican husband. I was on a girls trip and me and my friends went to Chukka Outpost in Sandy Bay. As soon as our tour bus rolled in, he spotted me. Later he said, I knew I had to talk to you. So my friends and I end up doing zipline. And if you know, there's like 4 obstacles that you have to do before you get back on. So there he was waiting for me to get off the ziplining, and he helped me take my helmet out, and he was like, ooh, you know, you're fine. And I wasn't paying attention, but I looked him in the eyes and I was like, oh, you're kind of cute too. He had me blushing a little bit, but he asked me if he can get my social, and I was like, what? I said, no. He said, no, I mean your social media. We both started laughing. So this is what I was wearing, and let me tell you, he saw my ass and he was like, can I touch it? And me being fast, I was like, sure. So that later that night, he came over to my resort. We talked on the beach, we walked, we had just a good night. And we spent the rest of my trip together. I met him on a Monday, we left Thursday, so I saw him every day between. From that moment that we met on the beach, I just felt safe with him for some reason. And I'm so glad that I took love a chance, because now we're married and we're in a successful long distance marriage. I wouldn't change anything about meeting my husband. Let me know in the comments if you met your love on a girl's trip, or if there's something you would ever do. Let me know how I did with my hair and makeup.
And also follow your girl.
And lastly, don't forget to save, like, and comment. All right, bye.